Okay, radio controlled cars can be a lot of fun, but to make them last long, a lot of preventative maintenance needs to be done to keep them in good running order. The most common thing is nuts and bolts and screws all over the entire car coming loose. The best way is, while you're waiting for your battery to charge, get your screwdriver out and just check each nut and bolt on the entire car. It's easier to screw something in that's half out than to have to go look for it in the bush after it's fallen out. A very common problem with these cars too is if you do have a major impact hitting something hard from the front or something from the back, the weight of the motor sometimes moves it in the cradle here, and the gears can either become unmeshed or get too tightly meshed together, which is not good for a plastic spur gear because they will strip. So if you've known you've hit something very, very hard, ideally just take the little cover off, 3 screws, take it off and check your gears. The easiest way to check the spacing between the spur and the pinion there is to put a piece of paper between them. If the paper won't go in between them, then you know the motor's moved and it's too tight. It needs to be adjusted, just the 2 little screws slightly. And in turn, if the paper goes between the gears and you can pull it out, that means the gears are far apart. So again, just a slight adjustment to save a lot of frustration.